Let's review how to use the Household Budgeter accordion on the Budgeter page of Toolkit.law. Start by selecting the Tools section, then open the Budgeter page. Click on the Household accordion to access this resource. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of common monthly living expenses, such as association fees, cleaning, electrical, fuel or gas, groceries, home maintenance, rent or mortgage, insurance, internet access, lawn care, medication, security, streaming, technology, and water. Simply enter your cost for each category, and the calculator will automatically total your monthly expenses in real time. Use the clear icon to reset all entries. You can also use the undo icon to revert changes, the recycle icon to start over, or download and share your results instantly. Whether you're managing personal finances, family budgets, or planning your monthly cost of living, the Household Budgeter accordion helps you track every detail with accuracy and ease. And that is how you use Toolkit.law's Household Budgeter accordion.